Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your language on Netflix, so let's get right into it. I'll be showing this for the PC version on my browser, however you can do the same on your mobile app as well. The process is pretty much similar, or in fact the same. You just have to locate the same buttons, which are in different locations for a different layout, but it's pretty much identical, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what I'm going to do is hover over my profile icon. In the case of a mobile app, you need to click or tap on your profile icon, then go into account. From here, as you can see, I arrive at this screen, and you just need to go down until you see the edit settings button. You just want to click on that, and you have all of these settings to edit, and what you're going to want to do is click on languages. Here, as you can see, you can choose a different display language from these that are offered over here, or you can do the same for your subtitle languages as well as audio languages as well. You can check off more at the same time depending on what you want. For me, since my display language is English, it's automatically set. However, I'm pretty sure, if I change my language, in this example to German, it automatically checks German, but it keeps English until you disable it. And yeah, once you set back to English, the German one will be automatically unchecked. And that's pretty much how you change your languages. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.